cool little thing is actually the Bar at Drinkstuff port sipping set. Comes complete with 4 port sipping glasses as well, with little hooks hang handily on the side of the decanter so you never lose them and like that. Now, the thing I will just very quickly tell you now, this is not really heavy duty glass as you'll see it from there, so don't think of it as like really thick glass or anything like that, but it is quality. Will hold your favourite sort of bottle of port in there and makes a fun sort of talking point for your after dinner tipples, doesn't it? Now, port, I'm not a massive port connoisseur. I do like a little tipple from now and again, but not huge. But what I'd be tempted to do is stick my favourite rum in there for after dinner, and you could have some kind of like your favourite rum in a glass like that. That would be kind of cool, wouldn't it? But rum, brandy, pour, red wine, whatever takes your little fancy there. The whole point is that just to kind of sort of tell you about why sip through the bottom of there. Supposedly, and I'm not a port connoisseur or anything like that, but supposedly if the port becomes oxidised at the top there, so you get the fuller flavour of the port from the bottom of the glass, but it hasn't come into contact with air. That's supposedly. Don't hold me to that. That's the feature of it. That's why we've got these little things. That is the Bar at Drinkstuff port sipping set. I'd be tempted to put my favourite bottle of rum in there, to be honest.